from News and Infotech. Today we are conducting the mock interview on COBOL. I can take the interview. So the students are Ashok, Vinay, Venkatesh.
So, good morning guys.
Good morning.
Are you ready for the interview? Yes. Prepared well? Yes. Okay, let's get started with Venkatesh. So, what do you know about COBOL?
COBOL is a English-like language. It is used to work on business programs. In COBOL, as already said, it is like English-like language. It will have more on English words.
Okay, what is the structure of COBOL programming language?
Right. So COBOL structure is COBOL divides into divisions and then divided into sections, paragraphs, sentences, statements, and verbs. Right.
What are the types of divisions in COBOL?
These are the 5 types of divisions are there in the COBOL. ID division, environment division, data division, and procedure division.
What is the use of data division?
Data division is used to write the program here. Whatever the COBOL program here, we write in this data division only. In this data division are 3 types, 3 sections: working storage section, file section, linkage section.
So, then where do we write logic
In
this section?
In working storage we declare the variables, and procedure division we write the logic for that variables.
In which area we write logic in procedure division?
In 12 to 72 we write the logic in the procedure division.
That is called as area A or area B?
Area B.
So, what are the mandatory divisions in COBOL?
So ID division, program ID, and procedure division. That is the mandatory division for COBOL.
Okay, what is the static form of declaration and what is the dynamic form of declaration?
During static form of declaration, we declare the value of the variables in working storage section itself. In dynamic division, we will declare the variables during the compilation.
Which command we use while using dynamic form of declaration?
We will use accept command. Okay.
And then what are the level numbers in COBOL?
Level numbers in COBOL are 5 types. There are 5 types. One is 01, used for group or elementary. Second one is 02 to 49, which is also used for group or elementary. And then 66 for Indian, 77 for independent variable, and 88 for condition statement.
What is the syntax for declaration of variables?
Yeah. Level number, variable name, then picture class, data type, and its size.
Oh, alphanumeric data type will be represented in COBOL.
X with X.
What is the maximum size numeric data type can hold?
18.
18. Okay. How the justification takes place? Left to right or right to left?
Right to left.
For the alphanumeric?
In numeric justification is right to left. In alphabetic, left to right.
We have the concept of strings, right?
Yes.
What is the use of string?
To concatenate the 2 or more strings into one string.
And what is the use of with pointer in the string concept?
Right. The pointer will denote where the destination string starts from. It decides the position of the destination string start from. That is the pointer is.
Then what is the use of on overflow and not on overflow?
Concatenate strings is length is larger than the target string.
Destination.
Yes, destination.
Then what is the use of implicit and explicit scope terminators?
During performs or when we are using and perform, there are 2 concepts in perform. There is inline and outline. During inline we will use explicit scope terminator, and during outline we will use implicit scope terminator.
What is the use of delimiter in unstring?
Delimiter in unstring is used for whenever we give a string, the compiler goes on compile everything. We have to say where the string has to stop. For that thing, we will use delimiter.
What is the use of tallying in the unstring?
Tallying in unstring means counts the destination strings. It displays the count number of destination strings.
What is the use of if in COBOL?
If is a conditional variable, in whatever the possible, if condition is possible, this statement will be displayed in our requirement type.
If else,
If else also, if condition is, if statement 1 is true, if display will be another. If else, if not condition is satisfied, else will be used.
what is the use of performs?
Perform, any statement or code perform number of times based on our requirement, we use perform value.
What is the difference between group move and corresponding move?
We declare the group move means all the variables move to the another group. That is, example for group 1 to group 1 move to group 2 means we are declaring sub-elementary variables, all are to move to group 2. But in corresponding move, only the corresponding variables are changes. That is the main difference between group and corrupt.
Can you say the syntax of reference modification?
Reference modification syntax was move A of I is to J to B of
What is I and J?
I is the initialization of the initialization value from where the string has to start moving, and the J is the length, how much the length the string has to move.
What are the verbs we use in qualifiers?
On or off.
What is the difference between perform until and perform vary?
By using perform until, the set of statements will repeatedly execute up to until the condition is satisfied. In the varying also, it is executed up to the until condition is satisfied. But in perform varying, here itself incremented is there and initialization is there. Itself will perform only. That is the difference.
So code can be reduced.
Yes.
What is the use of evaluate?
In some conditions it will be not used. That time we will use evaluate. In evaluate we give number of conditions. If any one condition of the true, the controller goes to direct and evaluate.
What is the difference between inspect leading spaces and trailing spaces?
Leading spaces means if before the word we use leading spaces, after the spaces are called trailing spaces.
Which level number we use for renames?
Rename we use 66 level number.
Can you write the syntax for that? What are the arithmetic operations in COBOL?
Yeah. Addition, subtraction, multiplying, divide.
In divide, what are the different types in divide?
Right. I am explaining syntax. We have in the variables A, B, C, D. Right? Divide A by B, giving C, remainder D. Here giving C means C is the quotient and D is the remainder. What is the you get the remainder that shows in D. Right?
What is the verb which is used for multiplication?
Multiplication. Right? By multiplication A by B.
Multiply is the verb.
Yes, multiply.
What do you know about redefines?
Renames, we will give the value of already already given value to the required variable.
So generally, what is the use of redefines?
For example, if we have two variables A and B and we have value for A, but we also want the same value for B. In that case, we will redefine A to B.
Okay, can I redefine C with B?
You can't, because already once B is already redefined by A, so you can't redefine B.
So we can only redefine the original variable.
Only from original.
What are the sections in environment division?
In environment, we have two sections: storage, input output section, and also configuration section.
How many types of comps are there in COBOL?
Right. We have the 4 types: comp, compound, comp to concrete, and also we have the comp 4 and 5. But nowadays we are not using it.
What is the use of comp?
Comp, in that comp we store the data in binary format to reduce the storage space.
What is the difference between comp 1 and 2?
Comp 1 in this comp 1 has single precision floating point and comp 2 double precision floating point. In this comp1, comp2, we don't use any picture class.
How many bytes comp1 take and how many bytes comp2 take?
Compound takes 4 bytes learn and comp2 8 bytes.
What is the difference between inspect replacing and inspect converting?
In inspect replacing, will directly change specified variable to required variable. But in inspect converting, we will change entire string or entire variable.
What is the difference between delimited by space and delimited by size?
During delimited by space, the space, the string will, the compiler will stop before space, when the space occurs. But in delimited by size, it will take the entire size of the string and the compiler returns to the next string.
Can you write the syntax of unstring?
Okay.
So can you write the syntax for search?
Syntax for search.
So do you know what do you know about justified statement?
Justified means if in numeric in justified statement used in alphabetic or alphanumeric. If actually the justification is in alphabetic or alphanumeric, left to right. If you give justification right, it takes right to left.
Can I use justified statement for numeric?
No, we don't use any justification for numeric data type.
Magnitude, space, solutions. I just want to split into two strings.
Okay.
By space, I just want output in one variable, I should get magnitude. In another variable, I should get solutions. Which concept you use?
In unstring.
Unstring. I will just write the program for that.
Okay.
What is the use of is alphabetic?
Right. So, in checking the is characterize alphabetic or not. We have the is alphabetic or is numeric. We have the is positive, is negative, is zero. These are all comes under relation operations.
What is the use of on-size error?
Once we declare the variables like ABC, we have adding the A and D, but the resultant variable is more than that size. So in that time truncation is possible. At that time we can use the on-size error. On-size error, not on-size error.
What is the use of occurs in COBOL? Occurs.
Occurs is used to make the code or statements continue to required times. If you give occurs 3 times, it will loop into 3 times. It will continue.
Loop or table?
But it continues like loop, but it will stores in the table format.
What is the meaning of subscript?
The subscript meaning of subscript is that is how many times the our table has to occur. That is called as the subscript.
It refers to a particular position.
Particular position.
What is the use of indexed?
It describes the displacement positions of an array.
So indexed by index name.
Yes. Yes.
Can I declare that index name in the working storage
No.
section?
No need.
I just want to calculate no, not calculate. I just want to reverse the string.
Okay.
Can you write the logic for that? What is the use of Z in that numeric edits?
When numeric data type we declare the output, it contains zeros. If we want to remove that zeros, we use Z.
So comp3 stores the data in packet decimal. Means packet decimal means which format?
In this packet decimal, events and calls are there. For even we use n by 2 plus 1. That time we calculate that length by even. If this is even, it takes n by 2 plus 1. If it is odd, n plus 1 by 2, it takes that storage location in comp3.
In comp, I gave 9 of 12.
Okay.
How many bytes it takes?
8 bytes.
8 bytes. How you said 8 bytes?
In COM coding. Yes. 9 of 10 to 9 of 18, it takes 8 bytes. That means 18 byte we calculate the values, so it will take the 8 bytes.
Okay. For 9 of 5 to 9 of 9?
5 to 9 of 10, 4 bytes. Yes.
So you write the
Yes.
code.
Yes. You are giving the ABCD and result is CD AB by using moving reference modification.
What do you know about redefines?
Redefine. Redefine is used to reuse the memory or space from existing group memory at the same level number only.
Can I use value command in redefines?
Value command. In redefines we don't use any value command because it takes original value from the memory.
What are the prerequisites when we use COM?
But prerequisites. It's must and should data numeric data type and the content sign.
If user gives some data, that's a magnitude solutions. I stored that in x of 30.
Okay.
Feature class size is 30. Magnitude solutions it hardly covers 15. Remaining 15 will be spaces.
Yeah.
If I, by using this code, if I reverse this that string, 15 will be spaces, another 15 will be the characters.
Yes.
But I don't want that spaces.
Okay.
What you will use?
I will use the inspect concept. We will
Inspect.
inspect leading spaces.
Leading spaces. By using that, you
By
will
using cut those and again using reference modification, I will again display the exact characters.
What is the difference between search and search on?
In search, the order where it will be searched is sequential order. This is either sorted order or unsorted order. During search it is specifically a sorted order. During search we didn't give what is the ascending order, descending order. But during search we have to give either it is ascending order or descending order. And also we have
Which
key.
concept? Key. Yes. So working storage section is used to declare variables.
As
What is the use of linkage section there?
in linkage section we call mainly in main program we use working storage section. In linkage section we use in subprogram. We call that subprogram in the main program. On that time we using linkage section.
What is meant by input data string?
Input data string. We declare the inputs. It is a JSL inputs. We declare the variables in this part of compilation.
We use divide rate in arithmetic operators. We use divide A into B and divide A by B also we use.
Yes.
What is the difference between A into B and A by B?
If we want to store the division variable in another variable, we use into. If we want to store the original, for example, we have two variables on it. We have to store them A. That time we use A by B. If we have three variables C, that time A into B giving C.
The string magnitude solutions. I just want output solutions magnitude using unstring.
Using unstring.
Unstring.
Okay.
Can you write simple logic for that? You know the concept of call by content and call by reference?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
What is the difference between call by content and call by reference?
These all comes under subprograms and main programs. Right. So we have by using call by content means just the main program shares only content to the subprogram. But in user by reference, we are using the by reference. That is meaning the main program shares the memory to the subprograms. In that case, major difference any occurs in subprograms by using content that is not reflected in main program. But by using reference, any changes in the subprogram that reflects in main program. That is the main difference between by content and by reference.
What do you know about PAM parameters?
PAM parameters. These are used for in subprograms linkage where you declare the variables in linkage section, we can pass the values in by using pop parameters in JCA.
What do you know about copybook?
In copybook, we have to create two PDF files. In one PDF file, we create one variables before the execution. When we execution of another program, we copy that from copybook. We declare one name, for example, M8, M7. In main program we call M7. The copybook takes to the main program.
And that's in unstring also.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Here pointer points in string to pointer. In string, pointer points destination string.
Yeah.
In unstring,
It also points to every destination string. Either it will be 2 strings or 3 strings. But the pointer indicates every string has to start from this position.
in unstring, from pointer points to string. Unstring.
By using pointer in unstring means that calculates the length of total string plus 1. It means we can pass the any values in that string starting from that points, but the remaining the starting values are truncated.
Okay, if I have a data and the pointer is 3,
Okay,
so starting to will be truncated.
truncated, not is.
Okay, okay then, fine. Thank you.